In the last few practice videos, we have had a look at some useful tools for adding formatting to our workbooks. The next tool we're going to look at is really exciting. It allows us to very quickly copy formats from one cell to another, and it is called the Format Painter. The Format Painter is located in the Clipboard group on the Home tab of the ribbon. Let's have a look at how it works. So I've decided that my account managers could stand out a little bit more. I'm going to click on Anya and make that bold and italics and a dark shade of blue. I'm very happy with that, but now I need my other account managers to look the same. So rather than doing those 3 steps manually, I'm going to make sure that I've clicked on the cell that has the formatting I want to copy. I'm going to come up to my Format Painter and click on it, and then I'm going to click and drag to paste the formats onto the other cells. That both guarantees consistency and it's much quicker. But wait, there's more. The Format Painter can also be used to copy multiple formats simultaneously. So let's, for example, say I want to get rid of these borders. So I'm going to click No Borders. And instead what I want is banded rows. That means alternating colored rows. I've selected my second row and I'm going to make it a pale grey. Now I want to copy that formatting down to the rest of my data. So I select both rows, come up to my Format Painter, and then drag it on to the rest of the data. No more borders, lovely banded rows. And you can do this on an even larger scale as well. So having a look at my Sales 2015, no formatting at all. I want the sheet to look exactly like 2016. So I'm going to come back to Sales 2016 and select all my cells. Then I'm going to click on Format Painter, come to Sales 2015, and just single click, top left-hand corner, all formatted. So a really powerful tool for speeding up copying of formats. Now what about if we wanted to remove these formats quickly? Again, coming to each cell and changing it back to not be bold and not be blue would be very slow. So the other option we have is the option to clear our formats. The Clear tool is located on the right-hand side of the ribbon. And if I were to choose Clear All, that will actually remove the contents of the cell as well. So we're just going to focus on the clear formats. Again, start by selecting the cells that you want to clear the formatting from. Come up to your Clear and click Clear Formats. So a very quick way of getting rid of formatting that you don't want. So we've looked at 2 tools, the Format Painter, which allows us to copy formatting, and the Clear Formats, which allows us to remove formatting. Don't forget to practice it and make it part of your everyday use of Excel.